Welcome. If you wanna change lock method on your Huawei P40 Pro, let's start from enter the settings. Right now we have to click on the biometrics and password, and for example we can go for the lock screen password. So mine will be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and we set up the password, but when you want to change it, tap on the change lock screen password and input your password again, and tap on the change unlock method. And for example we can go for the pattern, so let's draw it and do it again. To confirm, tap on the done. And right now when we are going to lock our smartphone and try to unlock, we have to input our pattern. This is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.